everybody, and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Okay, so as you may have noticed, so I've got kind of a green and purple theme going on here. Not only do I have the green stripes now, which I love, but I also have green decal lettering over the stock chrome insignia. That gives it a kind of a special look. I like actually the fact that it's sort of outlined with chrome, but it's green. It's a very close match to this green. Look at that. I've even got it on my wheel caps. Green lettering. And this certainly stands out now more than it used to. A green decal overlay over my Hellcat. In front, SRT with a green overlay as well, green stripes. There's even green in the license plates up here in British Columbia, Canada. But I haven't stopped yet. There's no green in the engine compartment, and that's going to change today. Okay, have a look at this. These are the decals I have. This will go on the valve cover. This will also go on the valve cover. And this is for right there. It's going to make that stand out. Just going to add a little bit of green to the engine compartment, just like I have on the rest of the car. And I got these from Hellcat Decals 16, an eBay seller. So I got this on eBay. He lives in Canada, so obviously he's a good guy. And I'll leave a link below so you can also get the same thing. Of course, these come in all the different colors you could want. Mango, go mango, red, every color you could want. And the two types of green, it's got the Go Green as well as the Sublime. This is Go Green. Sublime is a little bit brighter, a little more yellow. These are going to be good. I can't wait to put these on. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is sort of clean the area, make sure there's no grit or dirt. And for that, I'm going to start off with Windex. I just love the used supercharger. And to continue, we're going to use a little bit of prep. This is sort of like an alcohol-based cleaner that's going to really get rid of any fingerprints or anything else off of this area. Use a microfiber cloth at this point. Here is our charger decal. It's going to go right on there. Now, of course, this is maybe half a monster can job. It's not going to be too hard, but it's still going to require the services of a monster. So what we're going to do here first is take off the white backing off of this decal. It's got a clear side, and we're going to get that right off. Make sure all the letters come with it. If it doesn't come with it, you sort of press down until it does. Try to keep your fingers away from the actual decal material itself. And as you can see, it's coming apart. All the lettering is coming up. Okay, this is what you're going to apply. This is what you throw away. Now, the lettering on the charger is actually raised up. It's actually raised up. So this will just fit over the top of it. So you want to sort of match it up with one side and then stretch it across to the other side. And once you have it both vertically and horizontally aligned, you can put the first part down. What you don't want is anything overlapping. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work with my finger and pushing this down, getting a good seal here. Getting a very good seal. Okay. Next part, you take off the clear top. Again, you can do this in a sort of a diagonal method, taking it down this way. Oh, see, it's actually picking up one of the letters right there, so I got to work that down a bit more. Oh, still got to work it down. And it's still sticking, huh? Okay, so now I'm going to go over this with my finger just to make sure all the edges are actually down. Okay, do you see how that really stands out now? Wow. You could barely even see that Charger insignia before. Now it stands out like you wouldn't believe. Wow. That looks good. Now, next we're gonna put decals right over this valve cover. Now the best way to do that is take the valve cover off and then work on it on a bench or some other area where you can control the work area. And luckily enough, these actually come off rather easy. Okay? Rather easy indeed. And none of these decals were expensive. Nothing was expensive. Can't actually remember the exact price right now, but this is a very cheap way to get things done. Okay, just like before, the first step is to get all the grime and dirt off of this, get any oils, any finger oils off so that the decals will adhere nicely. I really do love these valve covers. I know they're plastic, and normally I don't like plastic covers, but they're very small and they just cover one small area. And so yes, I kind of like these. I'm gonna keep these. Okay, I've got this piece cut out. Now I have to take off the white backing paper, and then I'll be ready to apply. Okay, so I got one end on here, and we just smooth it off with our fingers. Okay, so something I have noticed is that as I'm putting it on, I'm tending to stretch the entire decal, which appears to be the case in a number of cases. This is actually now a little bit longer than this raised rib on both sides. On this side is just about on the edge. This side is a little bit longer. Now I think that I stretched it as I pulled it across, so you got to be careful about that. And also in this case, on this one, I didn't quite cover all the silver right here. So not a perfect job, but I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, next we'll do the supercharged. See how that goes. There we go. Yeah, try not to stretch it. Okay, so again you can see that there's a little bit of silver showing in some of the areas here as well. So again, I didn't do a perfect job. Again, here you can see the match is not perfect. From a distance though, from any kind of distance, that looks really, really cool. And I'm liking this. Yeah, this is pretty good. Now, the Hemi. Anyway, we're almost done. Okay, voila, there is the finished product. Let's put this back on the car and see what it looks like. Okay, Charger. There you go. That looks awesome. That was so easy to do. You saw me do it. I agree, I did not do a perfect job. It does take some skill to line these up perfectly, but it is pretty good. I'm happy with it. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. And these are cheap. Got to repeat this on this side. See, this is standard, and this is green. Okay, you guys saw how fast and easy that was for even someone like me to do. So yeah, this is the cheapest way to make a difference. Okay, there you have it. A quick and simple and cheap way to make a big difference for your Hemi engine for a lot of different cars. So check the link below and save yourself some money and make a difference. Okay, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time. Okay, ready?
The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.